힙당동.
Oh, it's Hipdangdong, the hippest place in Seoul where all the young generation is here.
Very hip because there is definitely rice being sold behind us. So why is this a hip place? I don't understand.
The young generation like me will show the old generation like you how Hipdangdong is hip. Follow me. What's the name? 주신당?
That looks old to me.
Yeah. I mean, it's old and scary, right? But actually, that place is like a super hip
Oh, that looks cool.
cocktail bar.
Ooh.
The hip some market, and the opposite side is like, you know, this traditional thing.
It looks like 동네 mart, but
No, it's like in Korean we call it 편집 shop. They sell like so many things. This is shirts, fashion items, and like stationeries like that.
What is
it's
it?
something way more hipper than that. Let's
really?
go.
Let's go.
Yes.
I want to see. Show me.
Should we do like the gift swap?
Gift exchange?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna find out what you want.
I'm gonna find out what you want. Joel,
Yeah.
you know I love cat, right? I want this.
Colored toilet paper not best.
Really? For real?
I want a hat.
You want a hat? This one is too cute.
Would it be cute on me, you think?
But you look like LA boy.
I want this.
Really? Okay.
For you?
Yes.
I think either blue or tan.
I can try on both.
This one.
Okay.
But I'd look cute in this.
Beauty City. And around the corner, you'll see more hip cafe
Burgers.
and stuff. Chunsaejong is hip cafe. I heard they renovate the factory that make 신당동 becomes 힙당동.
이 여러 군데 때문에 힙함
힙합동은 아니고 힙당동이라고.
힙당동. 그러니까.
Are you ready for?
I am. What are you bringing me? What's ooh?
Oh my god. 이거 약간 해리포터 같지 않아?
It's like Harry Potter.
Right? 해리포터.
Number 8.
Oh,
need to find number 8. Where's-
it's right here.
Okay, right here.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow. 봤나? And then when you open it, wow.
I love it. It's so pretty. I love espresso.
I heard you drink espresso every day.
I don't drink espresso every day, but I drink really strong Americanos. So we should get this, start drinking a little bit.
Okay.
I've never had espresso with lemon though, I'm curious.
But like I do like coffee with orange juice. Oh, you do. You have that 습관, like 아저씨.
Oh, like, eagle? Actually, this looks really familiar because I used to actually live around here. And I used to come to this old market place like a lot to just come and eat and like meet friends and stuff. So I'm excited to see
The
other
힙당동
stuff.
I'll show you.
Okay.
As I know, it's like around here inside.
When the old
You want the old?
meets the new.
Meet the new, of course.
Oh my god, what is this?
Traditional thing. Long time ago, they used to like use this root to.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the older.
Oh, here it comes.
It's pink.
Oh, is it like makgeolli?
I think so. Look at the color. It seems like strawberry. Come on.
Speed it up.
Come on.
Speed it up. I'm
Come on.
thirsty.
Yeah. Oh.
So wait, it only comes out in like one glass like this?
Yes. This is what you call 식전주.
식전주.
Yeah. You want
Shall
to
we?
cheers? Yes.
Wow, 맛있겠다.
Oh, they have cheese on top. I love
Was that cheese? Oh.
Yes. 맛있겠다.
This is my style.
Like traditional style.
Yeah.
Like old style.
You're very old. I'm an old soul.
You're an old
I'm an
soul.
old
yeah.
soul. This place is actually in what you would call a hanok. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, you saw the roof, right? Like if you look around here, it's like all the old style, Korean style building,
But they make it modern.
and they make the inside modern. Shall we?
Yes, Jan.
Done. Yeah, good.
This is good.
I love John. It's not
I
even
love
raining,
John
but
too.
I love John. Let's try some of this. Genni might be an acquired taste for some, especially if you're a foreigner, but it's really good for you, and it's in a lot of Korean dishes, so you should definitely try it.
I mean, I don't like it at first place, but
You know what I mean? Good though.
막국수?
I think, yeah, makguksu, but I think it might be the sauce. It's kind of like an oil sauce, I think. It's like pasta almost.
But it's not that like super traditional dish, right? It's
Yeah,
kind of
it's like a fusion, yeah. Where the old meets the new.
This is really good.
지금 이 순간 지금 여기
이 네오쿠션의 지소록은
Looking at
Do you know Laneige? The Korean skincare brand?
Laneige is a brand.
Yes.
Yeah, it's famous in France. The blue one.
So use the blue Laneige cream.
Did you bring,
Did you bring it with you?
With you here?
Yeah, in my hotel.
In your hotel?
Yeah, in my
Oh,
hotel.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
of course.
립 마스크는 써봤어. 립
아, 그것도 엄청 좋아요.
이거 똑같은 거.
이거 네오쿠션 써보셨어요?
아, 이거 완전 유명하죠?
짜잔, 이거.
이거 저 가지고 있는데?
아, 그래요?
네, 친구도 쓰고 엄청 뽀송뽀송해서 좋다고
아,
하더라고요.
그래요? This is the new Laneige Renewal Neo Cushion.
Okay. Oh, wow. It's not heavy.
It's light, it's very light.
Smooth.
짜잔. 이거 안 빠지게 이렇게 하는 거예요.
위생적으로 이렇게.
근데 완전 밀착이 잘 되는 거 같아요.
만족하십니까?
네, 좀 되게 잘 써가.
오, 성공입니다. 커버도 좋고.
진짜 좋네요. 엄청 뽀송뽀송한 것 같은데 네, 약간 파우더 겸용으로 같이 써도 될 것 같아요.
The highlight of this product is last long for the super long time.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many times?
This is the quiz.
That's the question for you.
That's the question for you. Yeah.
I think just like 12 hours.
24시간?
52시간?
아니 그러면 안 되죠. 이거 다른 질문 뽑았잖아요.
힌트를 진짜 너무 더 주고 싶은데 근데 너무 힌트만 주면 재미없으니까 라네즈를 가지고 삼행시를 한번 해보실 수 있을까요?
제가 진짜 이런 거 못해가지고
오,
라레즈
네,
네, 너무 좋은데요.
오.
정말 가지고 싶다.
와, 정말? 정말.
5 곱하기 10 얼마예요?
50시간.
50 hours?
50티가 맞습니다. 우! Laneige Neo Cushion.